Hello guys, dito kami nanood ng Men at Work, Christopher Cross, and Toto. Ito yung mga music namin when we were in college, kaya andito kami. We watched this concert because just to reminisce, you know, yung time na we're together during college time, but look at us. It was fun, masaya, but yung energy namin is not like before nung andito pa yung anak namin. Every time we watch the concert, talaga namang very jolly kami, very excited, you know. But what can we do? This is life. Talagang you have to force yourself to, you know, to do some activities. Good thing andito yung sister-in-law ko, and she, you know, she joined with us, at saka couple of friends na nakakatuwa. They are my clients, you know. Kaya nakita ko lahat yung mga ano ko dito, yung mga mostly yung mga client ko andito sila. So anyway, ganito naman ginagawa ng mga Filipino dito. We watch the concert. Hanap ka talaga ng way mo to make your life meaningful, kasi syempre this is not our land. Syempre iba yung totoo mong lupa, and then very very at home ka talaga, not like here, you know. But the good thing here is they don't care, you know, yung mga tao, wala silang pakialam kung ano yung gusto mong suotin, anong gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo, walang magkikriticize sa'yo. So look at us, this is our life now. Parang normal na lang, parang, you know, it's not like before. Talaga naman po, makikita mo sa mga ngiti namin how happy we are na nanonood kami ng concert, especially yung mga gusto mong mga group, band na mga, you know, used to be a popular nung time ng during the 80s, you know, early 80s, you know. Kaya ang saya sana, pero we're trying. Nag-enjoy naman kami kahit papano, kasi ang point nito is the experience, at saka, you know, yeah, like I said, ma-feel mo yung during yung young teens pa kayo na, you know, especially us, kasi we started like very young. So talagang na-enjoy namin ang music, since, you know, yung husband ko is very yung strong yung ano niya sa music. Talagang yun ang buhay niya until now. Actually yan siya nagsusurvive sa music. Ako naman ito, trying to find a lot of thing to do para lang, you know, ma-enjoy ko rin ang buhay ko, kasi this is our life. Talagang we have to find a way. Talagang hindi madali, kaya keep going lang. So ayan yung mga group ng yung mga clients ko, yan nandyan sa behind me, ano kami sa room. So masaya, nag-enjoy kami during this concert, itong pinanood namin. Actually yan talaga yung mga music namin, especially yung event, yung main event yan is si Toto, yung kumanta ng Africa, at saka Rosana. Yan yung during our time na mga popular talaga. Kaya, you know, we enjoy. At saka nakakatuwa, nakaka-excite, kasi maraming tao kang nakikita. Nag-have fun ang mga tao, you know. Ang sarap talaga manood ng concert. It's just happened lang na talagang we are not very happy at this time, but like I said, we're trying everything. So this is my sister-in-law. Yeah, I'm so glad na join siya sa amin. So look at us, you know, ang jolly sa picture, diba? Kaya ganun talaga ang buhay. So, you know, yan ang mga couple of pictures namin na nakuha ko, kasi hindi ko na nadala yung aking camera na pang vlogging ko, kasi very strict sila. You cannot bring a lot of stuff, and may mga sizes yung mga bags. Hindi pwedeng, you know, like I said, dalhin mo yung malaking bag mo. Anyway, this is our friends, and shout out dito sa mga kaibigan ko, the Bautista family. Thank you so much, and have a great day everyone. God bless us all. Take care. Bye.